really hope that we can pull a 25. A 25 would be great. Like, I don't want to be too greedy, but 25 would be nice considering.
Or this could be not the lightning either.
No, not 100% sure. But I don't know what we would call this. I mean, we got to figure out what this is called because we can't name it out. Because there are a green X-fractor, which looks like little squares all over the place, which, I mean, not squares like this. And then there's the green lightning, and that doesn't look like this either. So, I don't know if we can't look it up. Maybe somebody in the comments can tell us. Black Panther.
Hey, she's in.
Yes, I don't think we had that one.
No, I don't.
What is this one?
Oh, who's that?
Spider?
Oh, that's Penny Parker.
Is it?
Yeah, like read the back. It has to be her.
It is Penny Parker. There's another Noel. We had Noel.
Oh, so. Oh, well, let's try to search green refractor.
You're probably going to get a lot of stuff.
Dazzler.
And what else we got on here? Okay, we've got a refractor of Scarlet Witch.
Is it lightning?
It is lightning. Yes. I mean, I think, right? Yeah, it looks like lightning to me.
What's that number? Yeah, it does look like lightning. Oh, wait. Let's see what the next card is.
Let's see what the next card is.
And favorite card. Soap. I think it's soap.
It is Silk.
145. Take it back.
And then we have Widow. This is a refractor. It's heavy. It was like, I don't know why somebody's like, you probably can't tell, but man, this card feels a lot heavier than this card. I mean, I know you can't tell how heavy it is, but still. And this one looks, I don't know if all the icons are refractors, but.
Oh man, this is nothing.
All right, Lockjaw. No, the Lockjaw. Apparently, it's a little doggy. I didn't realize that. I just assumed it was something completely different. And this is all right. I don't recall that person. Glitch. We do have a glitch. Yeah. Oh, Mary Jane. The Mary Janes are actually pretty cool. And we'll take a look at that here after we flip this thing over. Meanwhile, is that the same meanwhile we had before? I don't think so, but I don't know. We had a meanwhile. A lot of these inserts aren't really great. Like, they don't have any value to them.
No.
$2.69. All right, what else we got? Ooh, we got a yellow card, maybe?
Oh,
maybe.
Oh, we do have a yellow card.
Ooh,
Who's that? I thought that was Jubilee.
Wiccan. That is that Scarlet Witch's kid, I think. Right? It's at a 275. But you know what? I just was asking for a number card. I wasn't very specific. I did say I would like out of 25, but you know,
Oh, out of 5, we're the 1.
So, you know, 123 out of 275.
What's the back of it, though? 198.
The reincarnated son of Scarlet Witch. Envision. Billy Kaplan will always become a superhero.
287.
Yeah. I swear a lot of these. But look at these. Look at this Mary Jane. I mean, that's a pretty cool card. I don't remember when she became a symbiote, but Mary Jane's a pretty cool card. All right, we're down to the last 4. And so far, of the $500 box, we've made up maybe $50.
Maybe less.
I mean, possibly to take this back to the store.
Yeah, take it back.
And be like, hey, I need to take this back. It was defective. It wasn't worth $520.
It was already open.
Yeah, maybe it was. Miles Morales. Born on Earth, 1610. Oh, Earth 1610, not the year 1610. Okay, that makes more sense. We do have a Miles Morales, so. Yeah. Oh, Shang-Chi. I didn't have one of these. It's cool.
You got these.
The rings. Ultron.
Ultron might be new too.
We didn't have that one.
He's a man.
I didn't know Ultron was a guy. He was like just a robot.
That was Jarvis.
That too. Spider-Man Noir. I like that. That's cool. I watched that Prime show. I think it was on Prime, wasn't it? Spider Noir.
I think so.
All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, Thanos.
Thanos.
We got this one already. Come on. Oh.
Magneto.
Ooh. It's a Magneto speckled. It's out of, is that 80? Yeah, it's 80. Whoa, nice. But look at Spider-Man Noir.
Also nice. So he looks a little red, like on the outside. And that must be his spider senses or something.
That's pretty cool, though. I mean, he looks better than he did in that Spider-Verse movie. And definitely that Prime movie with Nicolas Cage. But look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. What's his number, though?
74.
074.
25 out of 80.
Oh, right here, Dazzler. With a snow ice.
Oh, is that what it's called? It's called a Dazzler.
Yeah.
This is a Dazzler. All right. Dazzle. But there is nobody selling a Dazzler right now.
No?
Well, I haven't seen anyone pick one or get one, so I'm going to sleeve these up.
Yeah.
Kind of slacking on that.
You can set the market price.
$520. All right. Rapid. Hurry up. Actually, no, it's this Marvel guy. Rapid. I don't know who that is either. First appearance.
Spider-Man.
Why is everything like Spider-Man is a part of every new character now?
Well, wasn't he part of the X-Men first before he became his own character?
Who?
Spider-Man?
No.
I thought he was it.
Well, this guy becomes friends of Electro. You got the Scarlet Witch, which I already have some version of the Scarlet Witch. But that's the regular version.
We got the Lightning one. Not much of a price difference.
We got Vulture, another Spider-Man person. Got another Tombstone. In the same box, you get two Tombstones, huh? All right, Quincy, come on.
Oh,
and we got another Lightning.
A Rapid.
Is Rapid, who is a character that I didn't know about until now, and now we have two of the same cards. All right, let's see what else we got.
So they look like a Rapid character.
Here we go. Just like full Morales icon. And yet another Tombstone. All right, 2 packs left. 2 packs left.
And we got 3 numbered cards, I think.
We have 3 numbered cards, still in line to get a out of 1, or I don't know if they make God packs for Marvel boxes or whatever, but man, someday, every time I see one, it's like the most amazing thing you've ever seen is feel energy. All right. Here we go. Second to last pack, Shocker. And that is not shocking that we didn't get Ace, if we don't get anything.
A Shocker, Electro.
Look, Tombstone, Vulture, Shocker. We're getting like a very discount version of the Sinister Six right here because we got Electro. Let's see if we can pull another Sinister or Spider-Man bad guy here.
We haven't seen Doc Ock.
Man-Thing. I don't think Man-Thing is a Spider-Man bad guy.
We got that card before.
Yeah, we have. No, I don't even know if he's a bad guy, to be honest. That's neither. Clea.
Who's that? Is that...
I think this was the one at the end of Doctor Strange movie. All right, here we go. What do we got? Meanwhile, the
That beast.
unstoppable
Oh.
Infernal Hulk. There's a lot of different Hulks now. I mean, I guess they got bored and tired of having the same character. You can only do so much with them. You just create different versions of them. All right, fingers crossed something.
Oh no.
I don't know what that is. It's probably like
Black card? Is that black card?
I don't think so.
It might just be Spider. It might be black card. Yeah. Oh, $3.99.
Wow. It's another numbered card.
Oh, that's a very nice.
It's a nice card because I like the Spider Noir, but it is out of $3.99, so it's not going to be the most valuable thing in the world.
Oh,
And there's Clea. All right, let's take quick breaths and just reorganize as we try to will our way to last pack magic. Yeah,
well, we did get 4 numbered cards.
we did get 4 numbered cards, so that is something. Not anywhere close to the $500 value that I was really hoping for. Just again, I didn't want give me $200 so that I can recoup some cost. And
Is he worth sweeping up? This guy, this rapid guy.
might as well. So I don't think that I'm gonna get $200 out of this. And again, I hate to sit here and be like, oh, I need money, because that's not really the reason I get this stuff. But I have fun doing it. Just is a little bit more fun if you actually can have some worthy cards or whatever. So anyway, and like I said, to kind of cover the cost of this, I was hoping I could sell some of these. But anyway, we'll see.
Do we get a Claude card?
I don't really care for the Claude cards. I mean, they basically take up the entire card. Like, you don't even get to see the art. I mean, what's the point of that?
I would like a Wolverine claw. And that's it.
All right, well. Come on. Last pack magic.
Let me see some red. Some red.
Is that the of 5? Oh yes, that's what we need.
Or the of 1.
The red wave, refractor, superfractor. All right, Aries,
Claude.
which pretty sure we have Aries already, but it could be wrong.
It does sound like a movie.
Hobgoblin. There's another person to fill out the bad guy triangle or
Of Spider-Man.
Spider-Man's Deadly Six, Sinister Six, or whatever.
Looks like Green
Like the old school version of Hobgoblin. Another Shang-Chi. Yeah, we get another Spider-Man here too. All right, let's see. Come on, this is for all the marbles.
Ooh, Wolverine.
Fanfare Wolverine.
Who's that?
I mean, it's gonna be like $1 or something. I mean, it's not the greatest, but
No,
it's just a regular Fanfare.
15.
Oh, it's $15? Man,
Imagine if you got this one though.
Black Wave would have been nice, yeah.
Or I don't see any of them.
We got the regular. There's no number on it. All right, so here we go.
It's not looking like a red.
This is for all of it. No, it definitely does not. It's like a meanwhile card. I can see it.
No, please, no.
Oh, it's the
Spider-Man.
Oh, this is that's right. The Fanfare means it was a special insert, so there's only 5 cards. So it was that Spider-Man, but it is a Spider-Man Lightning, which doesn't make it really any more valuable, but it is a little different. So we end up with this. This is probably, we're not sure what the nicest card is. Supposedly it should be the Psylocke, or maybe even the Magneto. We don't have pricing on either one of those. I mean, I realize the set only came out, in July,
Yeah,
but
months
it's
already.
been out long enough now that I would think you would have it. Nope, we didn't get the black refractor. You get the black refractor version of this, and that is $3,000. So, yeah, man, the Black Lightning one would have been really nice.
Also, no price on this Spider-Man one.
Well, that's price charting. Maybe we need to go to a different app. But look at that. I mean, those are two pretty cool cards. Again, I feel a little taken. I mean, because while this is a much nicer haul than the value boxes, we bought 4 value boxes for $40 each. Come on, son, what is it?
It's $4 or $10.
What?
Oh,
Times 40.
oh, it's 160.
There you go. And then we spent $520 on this box. So what's the difference there?
You're at
$360, right? So I don't know that that is
worth it.
good enough leap. I'd rather have gone with the value boxes, to be honest with you. But
And to be fair, we got 4 numbered cards, 2 fanfare, and a bunch
got some
of
refractors and stuff.
and a comic cover.
Some of these, ones. I mean, worst case, we would have gotten all $3.99s or something. So it's not the end of the world. All right. Well, that's it. It's all we have. It may be a while before you see me again because I may have to, get a second job. Or maybe, son, you should start working more.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll see. Stay tuned, see if my son gets a better job. All right. Thanks. Subscribe, whatever. I was never actually going to ask people to subscribe, but never thought anyone's going to watch any of our videos. And not saying that, 700 views or anything like that is something, but it's more than I ever thought we were going to get. So, I don't know. Maybe people want to watch this stuff. So, we'll let them. I'm not a very enthusiastic person, which, some of these other YouTubers are. It's just not my style. Maybe somebody likes that. I don't know. Anyway, write in the comments, baby. Tell me what it is you want to see opened, how it is that you prefer these videos be done. Do you like just this, no face, whatever? Do you prefer the music added in, not added in? I don't know. Just all that stuff. Part of the things that I like to do the most is just video editing. I don't have enough time really to edit all these videos, but it's one of the things that I would like to do. So if people like to see that, I'll be willing to do that. All right, that was enough for me. Thanks.